manual. Oh my god, English. So the way you wear a helmet, blah blah blah. Too big a manual for me to read. I'm pretty excited to wear it and go for a ride, small short ride. And well, I don't know anything more. Thanks, Mr. Ramesh Kale and Mr. Kale for sending it on time. A big shout out to Giro. Wanted to own one. Now I have had it. So I will keep using it. Hope to see you on the road soon. You will be seeing me with my new Giro. Team Giro. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it properly. This is an absolute home video. Making it on a Sunday, sitting outside in my balcony. So it's going to be a raw one. No fancy editing. Just doing my bit for the biking community. This is good, man. You have the weight over here. Oh yes, how did I miss it? Can you read this? 275 grams. Yep. It's not for motorcycles. To be kept away from liquids, hazardous liquids. Carefully stored, probably for skateboarding, skating and cycling. Good, so we finally got to know 275 grams. This is Giro Register. The model is what? Yes, it's the Giro Register. You don't have to register it, it is the model name. Right off. Cheers. Thanks guys for watching. See you on the road. Looking forward to making some good videos for you guys. Stay safe. Say hi to me, give me a shout out when you see me on the road. Cheers. Thanks. Ride safe. God bless you. See you on the road. Cheers.